Hi guys. So this week you have an assignment to do for me that is going to require you to fill out a Google Doc and then resubmit it. So if you haven't already created a shared folder, you will need to do that. And I'm going to try to show you how to do that. So I'm in my Google Drive. I don't know how you've got your icons. You might have them um, as a grid view like that, but I like mine in this kind of view. So right there is where you change that. You notice I got asterisks on some of these. That means I want them to be at the top, and the way it sorts it by name, for some reason the asterisks come up at the top. Then I've got some that are numbered, and so anyway, that's just my thing. Also, I don't know if you need a folder for the school year, but if you do, that might be the way you want to do that. And then have a folder. I would just have one for all of your documents, and then um, you could make individual class folders inside of that. So what I'm talking about is, all right, let's say I just want to create it here in this. I can either go over to new, or I can click up here in my drive and click new folder. So maybe you want to click, I'm going to put some stars on it so it'll be at the top so you can see it. So I'm going to call it HCS Virtual, and maybe you want to call it 2020 to 2021 HCS Virtual, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, create your folder, and there it is. Now, what you want to do is you want to right click and you want to share the folder with your teachers. So when you do that, well, you want to share that with our G. Horry County School address. Okay. So let's say I wanted to share this with this teacher. And I could say, this is where I'm going to do my virtual work. I can even type a message to them, or I can unclick notify. It's usually a good idea to leave it as notified. And then you can send it. Okay. And then what that's going to do is it's going to share that. And you see the icon has a person on it now. That means that you've shared it with somebody. If you're going to create one folder for all of your classes, then you need to share it with all of your teachers. And I'm not sure if I gave her editing rights. I did. But you probably, it's going to say viewer. If it says viewer, you need to change it so it says editor. Okay. And I know there's this blue thing. Got it. Get out of the way. So if you don't see editor right here, make sure you change that. Okay. So, and you can go back and check things by just clicking on share, and then it'll pop up with everybody you've already shared it with. Okay. So once you're done with that, you can go into this folder, and there's nothing there because you haven't put anything, but you could create another new folder, and you could call it math, and it usually will see how it's already got the person on it. So it's sharing it with your teachers already because it's inside of that big folder. Okay. So hopefully that will help you with getting those folders created. Now, the other thing I wanted to show you is on the 1-5 assignment, at the very top of your assignment, you're going to see a place for you to click, and it'll create a Google document for you. So I've already done that. There goes my phone. So let me get to mine. And it's in Math 7. in module 1. And here it is. So here is the document, and they've got a place back here for your name. I would much rather you put your name up front. Okay, there's a reason for that. Because if you put your last name first and then I sort it, it's going to be in the order it needs to be for me to grade it. So, last name, can't put dots in your titles, by the way, and then first name. So please change that when you get yours. Best thing to do is just go right ahead when you retitle it and put like Bowman, comma, Kim. Don't put my name on it. Your name is not Kimberly Bowman. But last name, comma, first name. Okay? And you can leave the rest of it the same way. And then you can put your name in here. And please do. And the main thing I want you to do is right here, you want to click this move, because when you've downloaded it, it's just downloaded to your drive. So as soon as it opens, change the title on it and go right here to move. And I need to move that to my, where did I put it? I put it in here, didn't I? No, I made HCS virtual. So I need to put that in that math folder. So, and then if nothing's in there, you're going to see empty, and then that means it's going to be visible to everybody that can see it. Miss Nerone's going to wonder, what in the world am I doing? So anyway, that's how you get it to be a shared document. You still want to check your share properties and on the document itself and make sure that it is indeed shared with your teacher. This one says that I'm the owner, and because that's me, this is my drive. But Miss Nerone has editing rights. Your teachers have to have editing rights. So once you've done that and you've checked the document is shared, that it's in the right folder, moving it to that folder should take care of the sharing options. Okay. And then you can go complete your assignment. Okay. I'm going to give you some numbers that I want you to use so that everyone's information is the same. It's just going to make it easier for me to check it. So be on the lookout for your data for this assignment for this week. Okay? Hopefully this helped. And then also when you get to Buzz, there is a place for you to submit it. And make sure that you submit it in that box. Okay, it's right at the end of that project. And I will be showing that tomorrow. Not tomorrow, I'm sorry, Tuesday. And I'll probably show it again on Wednesday in our meet. So make sure you attend. And that's all for now. Hope you guys had a great weekend, and I'll talk to you Tuesday.